Why are rutabagas so hard to cut? Why are they? Is it worth all of this work to eat rutabaga?
That ain't that hard. You gotta do it like knife.
Is my knife dull?
That's pretty hard.
Could anything change this? What about the food process? No, I'm gonna take my food process up. Nah, I'm good, love. Y'all, it takes a lot of work to make rutabaga because it's a root vegetable and we've had them way bigger than this. Shout out to Kroger for coming through with the produce today. We shop at several stores and none of them had rutabaga. So you have to take all of that skin and waxy part off. That's not good. Like, they put this waxy stuff on it and I wonder why. So right now Mom's taking the ends off of. We don't want, it looks like it's a lot of waste, but it's not, because you don't want to eat that. You don't want to season that. You don't want to put that in your pot. Whatever they put on it to ship it or whatever. So you have to take that off, and then so this is what we got left. And she's not wasting a lot. Trust me, she's not wasting a lot. The onions is for something else. Ma is just gonna smother this rutabaga down with some water, and we don't add anything to it until it's almost done. Right, Ma? And why do we do that?
You want minutes of natural flavors to come out as possible.
Okay.
Natural flavors. Or you use the good and salt, and you might not have to put
a thing in there.
Because I have tasted some that had a little saltness to it.
Yeah. So now, and it's important to keep rinsing. Clean your knife off. So we're gonna put this in a bag and get it out of the way. Hey, what are you doing? One thing I'd like to point out about rutabaga is that my mom don't put no onions or nothing in this. You don't need any onions or anything because the rutabaga is a very flavorful root vegetable, and you can really smell it as she's cutting it up. You can really smell it, and it smells so good. Whatever rutabaga is high in, which I'll go and see what it is, but it's just really good.
It really is.
And it tastes so different, like way different from anything that it don't taste like potato. That people be asking, you know. So she has cut all the rutabaga up and she's getting ready to put it in a pot. She gonna wash it off one more time because it did have some of that waxy stuff on it. It's still left behind on the cutting board. So she is going to, can you break that down? Yeah, break that down. Come on now, don't not be too lazy with the rutabaga now.
Oh, it's kind of thin on one side. That's why that stay there. You want to cook evenly.
We are going to wash these off again and drain them off. They smell so good. Mom said she just gonna let them boil for a little while till they start getting tender. Ain't no seasoning or nothing in here.